Fix Android apps crashing after update. Did your Android app start crashing right after an update? Don't worry, here's the fast reset method to fix it. After updates, apps may crash due to corrupted cache, outdated data, or compatibility glitches. So, what you can do first is to go to your settings, head over into the Apps tab, and then from here, go ahead and select the app. And then once you find the app, go ahead and select storage and click on clear cache. So clearing the cache removes temporary files causing crashes. Now if the crash continues, tap the clear data. So this resets the app to default settings, fixing corrupted files. Still crashing? Uninstall and reinstall the app from Google Play. This ensures you have the latest stable version. Update your Android system, restart your phone, and disable battery optimization for critical apps. Most app crashes after updates are fixed by clearing cache, resetting data, or reinstalling. The fast reset method gets you back on track quickly, and that's how you can basically fix Android apps crashing after updates. Which app gave you trouble? Comment below.